This plush was given to me to do a review, and it is absolutely adorable. So I love kitties. This is a kitty unicorn, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day with the heart, the love, and then the cute little unicorn. But yeah, if you have a child that loves cats or unicorns, this is perfect. It could be a Valentine's gift, even like an anniversary gift for fun, but kids would absolutely love it. It's ultra soft, like super, super soft, really squishy, but I would highly recommend it. It is absolutely adorable and kids would love it.